CSCS Book Notes Ch11 29 questions. Question 1 can be used in goal setting. A. Test battery. B. Testing. C. Test scores. D. Test. Question 1 answer, C. Test scores. Question 2, a test administered one or more times during the training period to assess progress and modify the program as needed to maximize benefit. A. Field test. B. Pre-test. C. Test. D. Mid-test. Question 2 answer, D. Mid-test. Question 3, evidenced by high positive correlation between results of the test being assessed and those of the recognized measure of the construct, type of concurrent validity that field tests used by CSCS should exhibit gold standard. A. Construct validity. B. Content validity. C. Convergent validity. D. Concurrent validity. Question 3 answer, C. Convergent validity. Question 4, a test administered before the beginning of training to determine the athlete's initial basic ability levels, allows the coach to design the training program in keeping with the athlete's initial training level and the overall program objective. A. Test. B. Pre-test. C. Mid-test. D. Post-test. Question 4 answer, B. Pre-test. Question 5, a procedure for assessing ability in a particular endeavor. A. Mid-test. B. Pre-test. C. Testing. D. Test. Question 5 answer, D. Test. Question 6, is a measure of the degree of consistency or repeatability of a test. A. Validity. B. Face validity. C. Reliability. D. Testing. Question 6 answer, C. Reliability. Question 7, a test used to assess ability that is performed away from the laboratory and does not require extensive training or expensive equipment. A. Mid-test. B. Pre-test. C. Field test. D. Test. Question 7 answer, C. Field test. Question 8, is the assessment by experts that the testing covers all relevant subtopics or component abilities in appropriate proportions. A. Content validity. B. Construct validity. C. Convergent validity. D. Concurrent validity. Question 8 answer, A. Content validity. Question 9, is the extent to which test scores are associated with those of other accepted tests that measure the same ability. A. Construct validity. B. Content validity. C. Convergent validity. D. Concurrent validity. Question 9 answer, D. Concurrent validity. Question 10, extent to which the test score corresponds with future behavior or performance. A. Content validity. B. Concurrent validity. C. Predictive validity. D. Face validity. Question 10 answer, C. Predictive validity. Question 11, refers to the degree to which test or test item measures what it's supposed to measure and is the most important characteristic of testing. A. Evaluation. B. Reliability. C. Face validity. D. Validity. Question 11 answer, D. Validity. Question 12, is the ability of a test to distinguish between two different constructs and is evidenced by a correlation between the results of the test and those of tests of a different construct. A. Convergent validity. B. Concurrent validity. C. content validity. D. Discriminant validity. Question 12 answer, D. Discriminant validity. Question 13, helps athletes and coaches assess athletic talent and identify physical abilities and areas in need of improvement. A. Testing. B. Test. C. Mid-test. D. Pre-test. Question 13 answer, A. Testing. Question 14, is a lack of consistent performance by a person tested? A. Intrasubject variability. B. Test-retest reliability. C. Intra-rater variability. D. Inter-rater reliability. Question 14 answer, A. Intrasubject variability. Question 15, can be used to establish starting points against which achievable goals can be set, and testing at regular intervals help track an athlete's progress in reaching those goals. A. Tests and measurements. B. Measurement. C. Sequence of tests. D. Baseline measurements. Question 15 answer, D. Baseline measurements. Question 16, periodic reevaluation based on mid-tests administered during the training, usually at regular intervals, enables monitoring of the athlete's progress and adjustment of the training program for the athlete's individual needs. It also allows evaluation of different training methods and collection of normative data. Regular modification of the training program based on this keeps the training program fresh and interesting and helps avoid physical and mental staleness. A. Predictive validity. B. Evaluation. C. Formative evaluation. D. Face validity. Question 16 answer, C. Formative evaluation. Question 17, test administered after the training period to determine the success of the training program in achieving the training objective. A. Test. B. Post-test. C. Mid-test. D. Pre-test. Question 17 answer, B. Post-test. Question 18, refers to overall validity, or the extent to which the test actually measures what it was designed to measure. A. Convergent validity. B. Concurrent validity. C. Content validity. D. Construct validity. Question 18 answer, D. Construct validity. Question 19, is the lack of consistent scores by a given tester. A. Intra-rater variability. B. Intrasubject variability. C. Test-retest reliability. D. Inter-rater reliability. Question 19 answer, A. Intra-rater variability. Question 20, form the objective core of the evaluation process. A. Baseline measurements. B. Measurement. C. Tests and measurements. D. Test scores. Question 20 answer, C. Tests and measurements. Question 21, multiple tests given in a row. A. Test. B. Post-test. C. Test battery. D. Test scores. Question 21 answer, C. Test battery. Question 22, is the extent to which test scores are associated with some other measure of the same ability. 3 types: concurrent, predictive and discriminant. A. Concurrent validity. B. Convergent validity. C. Criterion referenced validity. D. Content validity. Question 22 answer, C. Criterion referenced validity. Question 23, process of analyzing test results for the purpose of making decisions. A. Evaluation. B. Validity. C. Measurement. D. Field test. Question 23 answer, A. Evaluation. Question 24. Non-fatiguing tests, agility tests, maximum power and strength tests, sprint tests, local muscular endurance tests, fatiguing anaerobic capacity tests, aerobic capacity tests. A. Sequence of tests. B. Field test. C. Post-test. D. Test scores. Question 24. Answer: A. Sequence of tests. Question 25. Is the ability of a test to represent the underlying construct, the theory developed to organize and explain some aspects of existing knowledge and observations. A. Construct validity. B. Convergent validity. C. Content validity. D. Concurrent validity. Question 25. Answer: A. Construct validity. Question 26. Is the degree to which different raters agree. A. Test-retest reliability. B. Inter-rater reliability. C. Reliability. D. Intra-rater variability. Question 26. Answer: B. Inter-rater reliability. Question 27. Administering the same test twice to the same athlete to test reliability. A. Inter-rater reliability. B. Reliability. C. Intra-rater variability. D. Test-retest reliability. Question 27. Answer: D. Test-retest reliability. Question 28. The process of collecting data. A. Measurement. B. Test. C. Pretest. D. Post-test. Question 28. Answer: A. Measurement. Question 29. Is the appearance to the athlete and other casual observers that the test measures what it is supposed to measure, informal and non-quantitative? A. Reliability. B. Content validity. C. Validity. D. Face validity. Question 29. Answer: D. Face validity.